When it comes to keeping things exciting in the bedroom, variety is the key to unlocking unforgettable passion. Whether you're looking to deepen intimacy, ignite her senses, or simply explore something new, the right positions can make all the difference. In this guide, we've curated 5 sizzling positions designed to thrill, satisfy and drive her absolutely wild, ready to turn up the heat and take your connection to the next level. Let's dive in. Position number 1. Introduce position. Breakdown of technique. Why it's effective. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I encourage you to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on today's topic. If you enjoy the content, please comment 1 below. If it doesn't resonate with you, leave a 0. Your feedback is crucial as it helps me create better videos that align with your interests. Now let's get started. Idan, the cowboy girl. The cowgirl position is a classic, often recognized but sometimes underestimated for its emotional and physical depth. In this intimate posture, the woman takes her place on top of the man, gently guiding the pace and flow of the encounter. But what makes this position truly remarkable? It's not just about the physical dynamics, it's about what it represents for both partners by taking the reins. The woman feels a profound sense of empowerment, security and confidence, which enhances her emotional connection with her partner. The control over the movements allows her to explore her own rhythm and desires, helping her feel more attuned to her body and significantly increasing the likelihood of reaching a climax for the man. This position is just as rewarding. It reduces the risk of overstimulation, making the experience last longer and allowing for a deeper, more meaningful connection. This gentle slowing down means you can savor every moment together without the stress of premature climax. But beyond the physical benefits, the cowgirl position opens up a space for emotional intimacy that can be incredibly powerful as she guides the rhythm of the experience. It's essential for the man to remain emotionally present. This is where true intimacy flourishes. Look deeply. Position number 2. Introduce position benefits. Tips for success into her eyes. Run your hands lovingly over her body and reassure her with every touch that you are fully immersed in this shared moment of closeness. Your emotional presence will elevate the experience to new heights, transforming it from a mere physical encounter into something far more profound. By staying connected through words, touch and even silence, you'll both feel the depth of your bond grow stronger longer. The cowgirl isn't just a position, it's an opportunity to build trust, to honor her needs and desires, and to create a safe space where both partners feel cherished and understood. This is what intimacy is truly about, being fully there for one another physically and emotionally, and letting love lead the way to the spoon. The spooning position is an intimate favorite for many women, cherished not only for its physical closeness, but for the deep emotional connection it fosters in this gentle embrace. Both partners lie on their sides with the man securely behind the woman, creating a sense of warm safety and intimacy that is truly unique. What makes this position so special is not just the skin-to-skin in contact, but the powerful sense of protection and comfort that arises when a man wraps his arms around his partner, holding her close. The pace of spooning is naturally slower, more delicate, allowing both partners to savor the moment without feeling the need for urgency or intensity. This slower rhythm invites us the sense of calm and relaxation, perfect for those intimate moments when you want to lose yourself in each other without the pressure to perform for the man. This is the perfect opportunity to deepen the emotional connection action by softly kissing in her neck. Whispering tender position. Number 3. Introduce position. Deeper dive into what makes it exciting. Words and gently caressing areas that are emotionally charged for her, like her arms, face or abdomen. These small, affectionate gestures can have a profound impact, making her feel cherished, understood, and fully present in the moment. Spooning is ideal for those times when you want to cultivate tenderness and affection in your intimate life. The close, comforting contact, combined with the warmth of your bodies and the soft, slow rhythm, creates an atmosphere of love and emotional security for women. This sense of protection and emotional closeness often makes the experience far more pleasurable and meaningful. It allows her to fully relax, to let go of any stress or tension, and simply enjoy the moment, knowing that she is loved and safe in your arms. Remember, for many women, intimacy is deeply intertwined with emotions. It's not just about the physical act. It's about feeling cared for protected and loved. In the spoon position, you have the perfect opportunity to communicate these feelings without words through touch, closeness, and the quiet shared experience of being completely attuned to one another. This position allows for a longer, more tender, intimate moment, one that nurtures the emotional bond between you both and leaves her feeling fulfilled on every level. 3 face-to-face, side-by-side. This intimate position where both partners lie on their eyes face-to-face opens up a world of emotional connection like no other. In this posture, the constant eye contact creates an unspoken dialogue where every glance, every subtle expression speaks volumes. It's one of the most profound ways to connect with your partner, allowing you to be fully present. With position number 4, introduce position. Unique benefits. Communication tips each other, not just physically but emotionally as well. The proximity in this position allows you to witness all the delicate reactions of your partner, building a deeper sense of trust and understanding with every shared look. What makes this position truly special is the gentle, almost reverent way you can explore each other's bodies. The man can place one leg over the woman's, offering an intimate way to caress her back, hips, or legs, fostering a sense of tenderness and safety. Every touch can be slow, soft, and intentional, creating an atmosphere where both partners feel cherished and fully seen. This type of contact is not rushed or hurried. Instead, it invites you to savor the moment, to explore each other with care, allowing the emotional connection to blossom alongside the physical. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me in this position. You also have the perfect opportunity to whisper sweet, loving words, to softly kiss her, and to let her know just how much she means to you. The slow, deliberate movements emphasize the importance of being fully present, making the moment feel more like a beautiful dance of affection rather than just physical act. It's not about racing to climax. It's about nurturing the bond between you, expressing your love and care in every touch, every look, and every word. This position allows you to focus on what truly matters in intimacy: the emotional closeness, the shared experience, and the mutual respect for each other's needs and desires. It's a time for connection where the physical act becomes a way to honor and cherish your partner, not just through position number 5. Introduce position, how it enhances connection touch, but through the deep attention you give to her emotions and reactions. The slower rhythm gives both of you the chance to truly enjoy the moment, free from the pressure of rushing toward the end. Instead, you can immerse yourselves in the warmth of each other's presence, building a stronger bond that goes beyond the physical into the heart of what true intimacy is all about. For doggy style of passionate exploration, this position, often referred to as doggy style, is not just popular. It ignites a primal connection that can deepen the bond between partners, while it undeniably offers a more intense experience where the man often takes control of the rhythm and depth of movement. It's vital to approach it with mindfulness and consideration. The fiery intensity of this position can make it easy to lose yourself in the moment and rush toward the finish. but with intention and care, it can be an unforgettable experience for both partners. To fully unlock the potential of doggy style, consider it as the grand crescendo of your intimate encounter after indulging in slower, more tender positions that build anticipation and emotional closeness. By saving this position for the latter stages of your love, making you allow the passion to build, naturally heightening the moment without feeling the pressure of finishing too soon. The raw energy of this position doesn't mean you should let go of tenderness, quite the opposite. Balancing intensity with care and affection will ensure that both of you feel cherished, respected, and deeply connected. Communication is key in such a powerful position. Ensure that your partner feels comfortable, safe, and is deriving as much pleasure as you are. A simple touch, a whispered word, or a closing thoughts recap, encouragement to try new things. Importance of connection and trust shared. Glance can keep the emotional connection alive, even as the physical intensity reaches its peak. Remember, true intimacy is about more than physical pleasure. It's about emotional union, where both partners feel seen, loved, and fulfilled. Though doggy style offers a thrilling intensity, never forget the importance of maintaining the tender, nurturing energy that makes intimacy so deeply satisfying. Respect, love, and consideration should guide every movement, ensuring that both of you walk away from the experience not just physically satisfied, but emotionally enriched. 5. The chair, a haven of intimacy and connection. The chair position, though not as widely known, offers a unique and deeply intimate experience that transcends the physical, allowing for a profound emotional connection. In this position, the man sits on a sturdy chair, while the woman gracefully lowers herself onto his lap, facing him. This posture invites a sense of closeness, both physically and emotionally, making it perfect for those tender moments when you crave a more personal, heart-to-heart connection. What makes this position so special is the sense of equality it fosters, with the woman in control of the rhythm and movement. She can guide the experience at her own pace, savoring each moment while feeling empowered for the man. The joy comes from the closeness, the undeniable sense of intimacy that comes from being face with his partner. The constant eye contact enhances this closeness, allowing both partners to exchange not just pleasure, but also the silent language of love, through glances, smile less, and even the vulnerability of being fully seen. This position is ideal for moments when you want to slow things down, immersing yourselves in the pure bliss of being together. The proximity allows for soft caresses, tender kisses, and gentle words of affection, each gesture deepening the emotional connection. It's a dance of love, where every movement is deliberate, and the focus shifts from the destination to the journey itself, rather than rushing through the encounter. The chair position encourages both partners to revel in the sensation of skin against skin, the warmth of shared breaths, and the electric spark of eyes meeting. It's about more than physical pleasure. It's about nurturing the bond between you, creating a cocoon of love and tenderness where both partners feel cherished, respected, and deeply valued. For those to seek something slower, more romantic, and filled with meaning, the chair position offers an unparalleled opportunity to immerse yourselves in the beauty of the moment. It's a reminder that true intimacy lies not in speed, but in the quality of the connection you create together. So what have you learned so far? We'd love to hear from you. Share one thing you've discovered today that you plan to bring into practice in your own life. Conclusion: exploring different bedroom positions can add excitement, intimacy, and deeper connection to your relationship. By experimenting with these 5 positions, you can enhance pleasure, keep things fresh, and cater to your partner's desires, driving her absolutely crazy in the best way. Communication, confidence, and attentiveness are key to understanding what works best, ensuring an unforgettable experience for both of you. Remember, Pleasure is about mutual satisfaction. So embrace the journey together and enjoy discovering what makes her feel truly special.